Hey everyone, Thomas here from MGMClassicCars.com, coming to you from Addison, Illinois. And today I'm outside of our dealership here with this new arrival. It's a 1987 Buick Grand National. Beautiful paint job on the car. It's been redone a couple years ago. Motor has been rebuilt and upgraded GNX wheels. Everything on this car is just in great working condition, especially the factory air conditioning does blow cold. The body and paint on this car is a mirror finish all the way around the car. Okay. The bumper fillers are all good throughout the entire Grand National. Look at this reflection. Okay. And that's all the way through the car. Engine compartment, it just looks stock like any other Grand National, okay? And also the interior. So what we're gonna do now, what I wanna do is just fire up the car and we'll go for a nice test drive. Let me look at this. Wow, love this car, guys. Look at this interior really quick, very clean. It does have the RPO sticker in the trunk. There's our new hats and our air fresheners. So a little bit over 100,000 miles there, 109.14. And I was told this thing was built about 25,000 miles ago. So let's fire it up. All right, let me just lower this for a second. Mount this phone and let's get that clarity. All right. All right. We're gonna go for a little cruise together. Interior super clean. All righty. Yep, left turn signals work, horn functions, lights work. As you can see, wipers turn on as well. Turbo feels strong. I mean, again, it's been rebuilt and transmission feels real tight on the car, very good. Suspension feels excellent. Definitely got some torque. This thing goes straight down the road, guys. If you've been looking for a really nice Grand National, very affordable, this is it, okay? I've probably gone through, I would have to say 50 or 60 of these cars, maybe more in my career, okay? We're gonna make a right here, less traffic. Take you guys for a nice ride. Good temperament on the car. It handles really good, and it's got the factory radio on this thing too. Very cool. If you guys have any questions about the car, please, feel free to text me or call me back, whatever you like. I want to make sure that I answer all your guys' questions. This is a great investment at the price that we're asking at MGM Classic Cars. This car is part of our MGM Retro collection, which is the Retro collection consists of 80s and 90s cars. And we do search the country for really good ones and do the inspections on the cars. And our inspections are just make sure that the fluids are good, it drives well, and the car is going to be reliable. That's the extent of our inspection, okay? Let's turn around here. Wow, this thing is really pleasant to drive. That's already 60 miles an hour. Yeah, baby, this These have overdrive, so it's a 4-speed, 200R4 automatic trans. Grand Nationals in '87 came with the 3.8-liter V6 turbo motor. Yeah, stock radio. They're not the best, these these stock radios, but you can change those out if you really wanted to. And if you decide to do that, I wouldn't cut up this car. I would put maybe the radio or the Bluetooth maybe in the glove box and keep the originality of this car. Preserve it. I mean, that's what it's been since 1987, and I hope the next buyer and owner continues to preserve the vehicle. So MGM Classic Cars has over 30 years of experience on buying and selling, trading, building, these older vintage cars. Again, this is part of our MGM retro collection here. This was my high school car. This is my era, and so I've gone through a lot of them, and I would just tell you, if it's not good, it's not good, but this is a good car. We don't find too many of them in this condition, so when we do, we're really excited, and that's why I'm doing this longer video, because I am excited about the car. So, I mean, we're located here in Addison. As you can see here, we're going to pull up to the building. It's 150 South Church Street, and the building is here, right to my left. It's this building here, and I'm just going to take a quick ride around the building and show you guys a little bit while I have the camera up. 150 South Church Street. Here's the front of the building, right there. Okay, and then the building would go. Our cars are inside the building. There's about 150 of them, maybe more, and it continues all the way down to the end here, to the corner units, in which we have offices here as well. And pretty much in this section here, this corner section of our building, is where we keep our 80s and 90s retro cars all together in one area is what we're doing. Because here I'm 52 years old, and now I can afford to buy all my 80s and 90s cars that I used to own or ever wanted to own. So why not come to a one-stop shop? Here's some old school Chevelles, muscle cars out here. Now we're going towards the back of the building. There's definitely some Camaros back here and Chevelles to my left. Yeah, our detail shop is to the left here. We got a couple TRXs right there, and then inside this building is where we keep the majority of the cars, as you can quickly see. Let me just get you. See that? So that's where we keep them there. So I'm going to circle back around to the front, because I am driving this baby home today on this beautiful, beautiful day. I'm taking this baby back to the casa, man. I'm gonna enjoy this thing. This is what I call a keeper. I should really keep this car, but in my collection, I do have an '87 Buick Grand National with 9,000 miles. And those kind of cars with the low miles, you can't really enjoy them that much because of the low miles, and you want to preserve that. But a car like this is the way to go. This is enjoyable. Use your investment and have fun with it. So there you have it. We're going to circle back around. If you need financing, we do offer financing really up to 180 months. So right now the rates, they're like 8-9%. Keep in mind though, if you got a credit score of like 780 and higher, I can get you done with no money down. So keep that in mind. Yep, here's in front of the shop here. And you can go and fill out the credit application at lightstream.com for that. And if you got a credit score a little bit lower than 780, just go to mgmclassiccars.com and fill out the credit application at that spot, and somebody will get back with you. And it's about 10% down for a 780 credit score and lower. For financing application, mgmclassiccars.com is where it's at. And for delivery, text me or call me with your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. So we're gonna do one more little walk around here, and then that would conclude the video of the car. There we go. Beautiful paint all the way around the Buick Grand National. Like I said, the GNX wheels. Engine trans is perfect on this car, guys. You will not be disappointed at all. Call me or text me. Again, my number is 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas, and have a great day.